So let's take a look at this problem. Read it. 3 times the sum of a number and 8 is 4 more than the number. Good. So our first step is look for any danger words. We have from or than. Yes, we have the word than. Because we have the word than, box it, and just know in this little area, we're going to flip, pivot. Right? Just in that little area. Notice here we have the word is, so that tells me this is my stopping point, because that is going to be an equal sign. Next, translate anything that says a number, the number, cross it out, make it the letter X. So see how this says a number? See how this says the number? Boom. Next, any key buzzwords? Let's start from the beginning. 3, well, we can make that a digit. Times, all right, that's a multiplication. The sum of, that's going to be addition. 8, because we're going to skip over the word and, is 4, put as a digit, more than. So we know that's going to be addition. So notice most of the things got canceled out when I did the key buzzwords. Now, do we have the word and, because that's step 4? Yes, we do have the word and. Remember, I skipped it. Let's see what type of and is it. Is it going to be our placeholder and? That's going to be between 2 letters or 2 numbers or a letter and a number. Or is it going to be an and that is with an operation word? Notice the and here. What's in front of it? Variable. What's after the word and? Constant. So it's between a variable and a constant. We know those types of ones are the plain ands. Okay? It didn't say and this addition or and this product. So we know it's going to be the plain placeholder and. So if we know this is going to be a placeholder, we ask what operation is in front of it. So that's an operation. That's an operation. Makes sense. 3 times sum, that don't make sense. This is going to go where the and is. It's a placeholder. Remember, it's the one that precedes it, what's in front of it. This one is in front, more than this multiplication symbol. Now that we have that taken care of, we can rewrite this. We have 3 times, so I'll just put a little asterisk for right now. I don't like them, but I'm just doing it for right now. 3 times the sum of a number and 8. So we wrote down 3, and then remember how I don't like that? I'm going to use parentheses to do multiplication because I like parentheses. So we're doing 3 times the sum. So 3 times, and we know that the sum, x plus 8. That's how we're going to write it out. It's a little confusing. So we have 3, there's 3, times, notice I use parentheses. Now the question is, why is it x and 8? Because I want to do 3 times the multiplication, or I'm sorry, 3 times the sum. So I want to do 3 times the sum. The sum is this plus this together. Okay? Is, and remember the danger word. So we're going to do x first plus 4. Okay? So this is 3 times sum of x plus 8. If I wanted just the 3 and the x, I would have said 3 times x. Remember, the sum is still, it's going to be here, but the word sum still is in play. What we're going to do now is just solve for the variable x. We're going to distribute to get rid of the set of parentheses, so we get 3x plus 24. Next, label one side variable. They both have x's. So this side's going to be the variable because 3 beats out understood 1. This must be constant. Next, start moving things. We know this 24 has to go over here. You know, a positive 4 and a negative 24, we're going to subtract. Who wins the tug of war? Team 24, so that's why it's team negative. Now move this one x over. So the opposite would be subtract 1x on both sides. So we get 2x equals negative 20. Remember, it's negative 20. And then divide both sides by 2. So we get x equals negative 10. Okay? So again, this one's trickier. Anytime that you're working with ands, and then we know that this and was a placeholder, so notice I put the plus sign here, but we actually had to use a set of parentheses because 3 times sum. So we had to do parentheses around 3, and we had to do parentheses around sum, since I want 3 multiplied by the sum. And that's how we get this.